Hey, this is Jack with ReciPal, and I want to show you a pretty big update we just released that makes it easier for you to find the units of measure you want for all the ingredients you're adding to your recipe. Previously, when you set up a custom ingredient in ReciPal, you'd have to set up each volume unit of measure individually. So if you wanted cups and teaspoons and tablespoons, you'd have to set the weight equivalencies of all of those. Now, when you set up a custom ingredient in ReciPal, if you set one of the volume measures, it'll automatically create all of the other standard volume measures for you. And the great news is that we've applied this update retroactively. So if anyone created an ingredient in the past with the volume measure, we'll fill in all the gaps for those standard volume measures. So let's set up a custom ingredient for this Hershey's syrup. The serving size is based on 1 tablespoon, and the 1 tablespoon weighs 19 grams. From there, we can copy in all of the nutritional information, and once we create that ingredient, we'll see that we have lots of different units of measures to be able to choose from, even though we only added tablespoon as the reference amount. You can also create non-standard volume measures. So if my recipe calls for 3 bottles of Hershey's syrup, I can create a non-standard volume measure for a bottle and use the net weight of 680 grams to create that. So we've made it a lot easier to find whatever unit you need to use for the ingredients that you're adding to your recipe. If you've ever added an ingredient and had to do a conversion because the unit you wanted wasn't there, hopefully now this means you'll find what you're looking for. If you still run into an ingredient that doesn't have the unit you want, that's not a problem. We have a feature that lets you copy and edit existing ingredients. So if you want to add additional units of measure, all you have to do is copy that ingredient and customize it whatever way you want. Finding the right unit in ReciPal just got a whole lot easier. If you want to start making recipes and nutrition labels, get started for free at recipal.com.